Today's video is regarding HP Deskjet Ink Advantage 3636 printer. So I'll show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now the first step is to switch on the printer. Also load A4 size sheets. And now once you do that, open the front door. And there is another door behind it which you can see here. So open this as well. So once we open it, you will see the ink cartridge chamber has moved into the middle here. And we just have to remove the ink cartridges. So press it down, it will come out itself, both color and ink. This printer uses ink cartridge number 63, so you can use black and tricolor, and you need 63 normal or 63 XL. Now to install the new ink cartridges, take them out of the plastic packaging and just slide it in, hold the printer with the other hand and push it inwards, and do it both for the black and the color, and then it will lock itself. Now close this chamber door, also the front door. Open the paper output tray, as printer might print a alignment sheet here. So the printer alignment sheet looks like this, and we need to scan this. So open the top scanner bed and place it facing downwards, right hand side corner, and click on the copy button. So once you do that, it will do the alignment. So that's the easiest way we can replace the ink cartridge of this printer, and then we can start using it again. Thanks for watching.